make sure y'all subscribe. The subscribe button is down below, alright? Just subscribe. I'm not even gonna do the intro. My name is Jay. But make sure y'all subscribe because I'm about to do the testing of the Revair. I just finished washing my hair. Well, I want to go put the, what is this called? The moisturizer, the African Fire moisturizer. Remember I said I was going to use it, but I'm not going to use it. I paid my money, okay? And my hair, I used a new shampoo today. It was like Herbal Essence. It's a Name and Tay, I think that's what it's called. Name and Tay. It did my hair some wonders. Like it brought out the curls and stuff. Like I don't know if y'all see. But I put the cream now, so yeah. Like I told you, disclaimer, my hair, since I'm still transitioning to go natural, okay? Still trying to find good products. I'm finding some. My hair is still a different length. I do want to cut it. I haven't been cutting it because every time I cut it, it just doesn't go the way I want. So I just leave it. So hopefully when I use this Revair, I'm able to trim it. Now let's put my hair in sections. And then I should wear a glove. Hold on, I'm gonna wear gloves. So I had to get gloves because, yeah, the thing that's there, my finger, okay? So yeah. And then the moisturizer, I'm just gonna get all of my hands and I don't want moisturizer on my injured finger. See, look at this thing. Y'all see this hair that needs to be cut? Right here, I don't want to pull it. I've been pulling my hair. Well, one of it came out. My hair has been a dust ball for I don't know how long. Let's just not say it. It's been wrapped, okay? I've just been wrapping my hair and calling it a day. So I think I'm gonna do this part. But first, let me put my hair in sections because it's pissing me off right now. I think that's okay. I don't want to use any more pins. Okay. Apparently 30 seconds, so let me turn on my timer. I don't even know how to use the timer. Where is it? Stopwatch right here. Hold on, y'all. So I stopped at 37 seconds. I didn't straighten my hair properly. No. I didn't straighten my hair. I got too excited. Should I continue? I'm going to continue it, but yeah, not even 30 seconds. Only brought on my dead hair straight. Look at this. Ugh. Okay, I need to, hold on. I need to fix this part now. Hold on. Apparently this said 37 seconds, but look. I think I have to keep it in longer, which is annoying, but let's start again. 1:44. Took me 1 minute 44 seconds. I don't feel like it's straight. Oh, I need to redo it again. And clearly, as you can see, this is what needs to be cut. So first I had the knob at 4, and then now I turned the knob to 6. So the 6 just worked. It's just this part is wet. I want to cut it. Should I cut it, y'all? Like, you can feel the rough, like, dead end right here. Yeah, I'm cutting my hair. Should I? I'm so scared to cut it. You know what? I'm just gonna cut a little. I only cut a little of my hair. I'm scared. And this does need to go, like these 2 knots right here. But other than that, it made my hair straight. But it's gonna take some time. So I'm not liking this part. Like, I guess you can see the first one, it worked. It's because my hair is still a bit damaged. This is why. And the cream that I used. So next time, I'm just gonna have to use it when it's wet, when my hair is wet. My hair is literally dry right now. And because my mother was taking too long to wash them, I couldn't do what I needed to do. But so far, it's straightening on my hair. Oh, wait. Okay, it's working now because I combed it out. Actually, no, it's just this part. Hold on. But so far, so good. I just don't like the ends, how it's so like, it's my hair. And because I didn't use it when my hair was wet. So as you can see, I have to use it a couple of times. My hair is really rough. Oh my god. But yeah, so I'll be back. Let me just blow dry all of my hair. As you can see, I have a lot to do. I need to hurry up and eat. It's very late. I still didn't even eat dinner. Oh my god. But yeah, I'll be back, guys. So as you can see, I'm at the final part. I figured out the problem. Make sure you comb your hair before you put it in the blow dry. Or if you can't comb it out, because like back here in the middle, I could not comb it out. So I had to put it in blow dry, comb it out with the Y2 comb. Boom. Perfect. After I blew dry, combed it out, blew dry again, it came out to what I want. Now here, still a little bit ruffled, but there's nothing I can do. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm tired. I'm gonna show you the last process. And most definitely put it in small sections like it says, because you can't take a big amount. So yeah. Hold on, let me. Okay. So let's try right now. Like, I love it. Look at this. Oh my god. My hair grew a lot now. Okay. So this is the results. I know I still gotta comb more, but I do prefer this than like actual blow dryer, because when I do it doesn't do nothing and I can't get it this straight. Okay, it's straight. I don't have to straighten my hair anymore. This is just all in one. I give this a 9 out of 10. I say 9 because I still see some like squiggly stuff. My hair is dry as the product. I still have to comb out my hair like a regular blow dryer. Comb it out and then use it. Because when I seen people use it on YouTube, all they just did was that and it came out straight. I don't know. So that's why I'm saying a 9. Actually, let me give it a 9.5. I'm sorry. 9.5 sounds better. Okay. Will I recommend this? 100%. Like, look what it did. Just look. Alright. Now I can finally go outside like that. Nah, I won't go outside like this. I'll probably put something on my head tomorrow. But I definitely need to trim my hair. I did trim some. I need to do a lot of trimming over here, as you can see. But yeah, this will be so easy, especially when I go do my hair in braids, because my hair be crazy and I can't straighten it and do nothing and whatever. But the product is doing what it's supposed to do, okay? So this is definitely a blow dryer, 9 out of 5, sorry, 9.5 I said. So yeah, make sure y'all get one. And these clips are definitely handy. I like this. I just wish this sucking tube, or this hose I should say, was bigger, because you literally have to put it in small sections. And my hair is puffy, like I said. Like, I took a handful of it, like just that little handful didn't work. I had to literally make a small section. So yeah, but yeah, I would recommend this. I'm so tired, I gotta go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and make sure y'all go and cop one, okay? I paid, I think, 500 Canadian. I'm gonna correct myself, but yeah. So stay tuned. I'm gonna make more videos with this product. All right, bye y'all.